how to instantly transfer funds from TD Bank to Bank of America. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can instantly transfer funds from TD Bank to Bank of America. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the TD Bank website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on transfer. Then click on with my accounts outside TD. After that, just enter the account from which you want to transfer and enter the account number of Bank of America in two sections and then enter the amount as well. If you have not added your Bank of America account in TD Bank, then just tap on this option and follow the steps to add a new account. After filling in all these credentials, click on continue. Then just review your transaction and click on confirm and your money will be instantly transferred. So that's how you can instantly transfer funds from TD Bank to Bank of America. That's all for this video.